In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot on the Windows taskbar. By the end, you'll have the Copilot icon sitting right on your taskbar, ready to help you with quick answers and productivity tasks. We're going to use the built-in Settings app, and I'll guide you through each click so you know exactly where to go. This is a simple process, and it should only take a moment. First, open Settings. You can do this in whichever way feels fastest to you. Right-click the Start button to bring up the Quick Access menu, then choose Settings. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Windows and the letter I together to open Settings instantly. Either method gets you to the same place, so choose the one that's most convenient. Once Settings is open, you'll see a navigation panel on the left and detailed options on the right. Next, head to Personalization. Click Personalization in the left pane. This area controls how Windows looks and behaves, including things like themes, colors, and your taskbar. We're going here because the taskbar options live inside Personalization, and that's where the Copilot setting is located. Now select Taskbar from the right side of the Personalization page. This opens the taskbar's customization options. Take a moment to glance through the sections so you know where everything is. You'll typically see categories like taskbar items and system tray behaviors. The Copilot control is grouped with other taskbar features, so it's quick to find once you're on this page. Find the Copilot Preview option and turn the toggle to On. As soon as you switch it on, Windows will add the Copilot icon to your taskbar. It usually appears near your other taskbar items, and it may take a second to show up. If you change your mind later, you can return to this exact toggle to turn it off again. Since it's labeled Preview, features may evolve over time, but the switch works the same way. That's all there is to it. You've enabled Copilot on your taskbar through Settings, Personalization, and Taskbar, and you're ready to use it whenever you need a quick assist. If the option isn't visible, it may not be available on your current build or region yet, so check back after a system update. Otherwise, enjoy having Copilot a single click away, and feel free to explore how it can streamline your workflow right from the taskbar.